Exodus NFT Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Exodus NFT Wallet app allows users to store, manage, and display their NFTs alongside a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Most people get this wrong by thinking Exodus is only for holding crypto, but the surprising truth is that it offers a sleek, integrated NFT experience with strong security. On the pro side, the app supports multiple blockchains, making it versatile for NFT collectors. It has a user-friendly interface with portfolio tracking, portfolio analytics, and beautiful NFT galleries. Exodus provides non-custodial wallets, giving you full control over your private keys. The app also integrates with hardware wallets like Trezor for added security. On the cons side, Exodus does not have a built-in NFT marketplace, so users must acquire NFTs elsewhere. Fees for crypto swaps within the app can also be slightly higher than exchanges. In conclusion, the Exodus NFT Wallet app is ideal for collectors who want a beautiful, secure, and integrated way to store NFTs alongside crypto assets. While it lacks a marketplace for buying NFTs directly, its versatility, security, and user-friendly design make it a compelling choice for managing and showcasing digital assets.